Hey, how you doing? So this is a quick video to show you this package that just arrived. Like someone has sit down on this, but hope everything is alright. Okay. I think I already know what it is, but it is something like special. It's a special package. That's for me, and I hope you like it too. I'm opening this on camera also for the first time, just because it's so beaten up that I'm scared it's destroyed. Okay. Okay. Let's put this aside. Clean my car, my trading car. There's something down there. Okay. Look at this. It's looking well on camera. Oh boy, it's a beautiful Charizard, dude. This is, they say it was the Japanese version. I don't know what kind of Japanese is this. Everything is in English. Okay, I'm gonna turn my lamp. Yes, so you can. Okay, hey, it's better now. Well, guys, this is a very beautiful figurine. I don't know, I'm not much figurine guy. Well, I'm a figurine guy. I have like a lot of toys in here, but I don't know about the Japanese thing. Okay, this doesn't look Japanese to me. I believe it's maybe when I put it on the Nintendo, it's going to speak Japanese, like Nichan. Okay, so let's look. Okay, let's give it a check. I'm not going to store this figurine in the package because I'm one of those collectors that likes to like handle their figurines, and you know what I mean. That's this. Okay, let's have a closer look. It's quite nice. You can have a 360 of this figurine. The colors are very nice. The figurine is good. I don't know about this cracking here, if this is the real deal, but looks okay. I love this fire in here. I'm a Charizard fan. Made in China, of course. I don't know if that number is something important, but I believe I'm going to. It should be blurred, but let's give it a try on the Super Smash game, which is the reason for this toy to exist. Can you see? I have a Terry Bogger, and I remember you must to locate the bottom of the toy in the platform in the joystick. Okay, let's go. Oh, here it is. For those of you who are like an old guy, like an old man like me, and don't know what it is, you must to go into this blue option, and then you get the amiibo, and it's going to ask for you to put the amiibo. Let's going to call it Charlie Boy. Again. We're done. Just like that. Woo! Entrenador Pokémon. This one is good. Hey! Here you go! I don't know, should I play like a game? You know, should we try? What's this? Okay. I haven't played this game in like a while. Let me just move my tripod to a suitable position. Here we go. Y el jugador 2 soy yo. So I'm the player 2. I don't remember which one I used to play. I'm gonna go with Kirby. So it is me playing against the Charizard boy. This is something that bothers me a bit, that you cannot like use the figurine. See? Okay, now! Okay, big brain. Okay, all right. It was fun. I haven't played this game in a while. I just love the amiibos. They are amazing figurines. So yeah, I hope you like it. Please I hope you like it. It was fun for me. I'm going just to put this guy in a safe place where it looks amazing, and then I'm not playing more any and I'm not playing Smash Bros a lot lately. I played a lot like a while ago, but it's nice to have the figurines. Okay, if you want like to get one of these, it's good quality, it's a good figurine. So yeah, see you in the next. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, it is free, okay? So